Getting to work daily can be exhausting, lalo na kung kasama pa nito ang heavy traffic. Mas mahirap pa kung wala kang sariling sasakyan, kaya nakakadagdag pa ito ng pagod sa araw-araw na paggawa. According to Harvard Business School professor Francesca Gino's 2018 research, commuting should be used for transitioning into your work role rather than relaxing or listening to music. Write down the 3 most important tasks for the day. Visualize them, set realistic goals, and make a list of them. By doing so, you can get started right away when you get to work. Kaya ito ang ilang mga tips to turn commute time into productive time. Adopt a me-time mindset. Gawin mong relaxation ang iyong biyahe. Try to reflect, or you could simply sit there and relax and let your mind wander. Use audio wisely. Makinig sa mga music na nakaka-uplift ng mood. Or better yet, makinig ng mga podcast or audiobooks na makakatulong sa iyo na maging inspired or productive. Get active. May mga research na nagpapakita na ang mga taong naglalakad, nagbabike, o tumatakbo papunta sa work ay mas nag-e-enjoy sa commute nila dahil mas nakikita nila ang value ng kanilang biyahe. Get organized. I-prepare na the night before ang iyong mga gamit, kagaya ng iyong susuotin at mga gamit na dadalhin para hindi ka nagmamadali sa umaga at maaga ka ring makakaalis. Get things done. If you use public transport to get to work, you could also use the time to look ahead, think about your goals, or decide a plan of action for the day, week, or month. Focus on the moment, not the destination. Let traffic be training for patience, not irritation. You can do it!